Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create karaoke text animation using VN Video Editor app. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my VN Video Editor and then I'm going to create new project. So I'm going to click on this plus icon and then I'm going to select new project here. And since we want to edit video, we can choose a video based. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the stocks video and I'm going to add this black background. Click on next to import the background and wait, let me change the aspect ratio. Okay, and then you're going to add your text to your project. I'm going to click on this menu and select text, and then I'm going to add a little bit of body text. Okay, and I'm going to type something here. For example, I'm going to type in this lyrics like this. Okay, and then I'm going to click on this check mark. And if you want to change the font, you can go to the font menu, but I'm just going to leave it like that. And then we're going to duplicate this text. I'm going to click on this duplicate option and we're going to change the color of the second text. Go to the color and then you can choose the color that you like, and I'm going to choose this green color. Click on the check mark and I'm going to click on cancel, and then we're going to go to the mask option, choose the linear mask, and then you can rotate the mask like this. You can make it vertical and place it here, and then you're going to add keyframe. Click on this keyframe icon and then you're going to move to the end part of the text and you're going to drag the mask like this, and the keyframe will be automatically added. Okay, and I'm going to play it to show you how the karaoke text animation looks like. Okay, and you can customize the duration by extending the text. For example, if you want to make it slower, you can extend the duration of the text, and if you want to make it faster, you can cut the text. All right. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create karaoke text animation using a VN Video Editor. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.